Hello tech lovers, welcome here to my channel. This is Tech with Bumi. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a tutorial on how to plan and create your Pinterest pin in Canva for the entire month, and you can schedule it for 90 days, 100 days or 30 days depending on you. Okay, so for us to be consistent with our promotion on Amazon or any of your affiliate products, and this app can also be used for business owners too that have an e-commerce website. Okay, you can also use this method for your product. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using Amazon as our case study, okay, to promote our link. So our number one step is to create a Google Sheet. Okay, the reason why you want to create a Google Sheet is for you to be consistent and for you to be organized and neat with your marketing skills. Okay, so if you have a Gmail account, you'll be able to use your Google Sheet, and it's definitely free. Okay, you can use it to organize. You brainstorm your topics, you brainstorm the the products you want to sell, right? So I did top 10 of any product on Amazon. Okay, really like to test the waters. So I did 10 best small kitchen storage, 10 crazy tech gifts that will amaze your dad, 10 of the best tech gifts for men, and so on and so forth. Okay, so after you line up your topics from 1 to 30, right, or your products from 1 to 30, you come back to Canva and you come to projects. So you create a folder for your pin and you name it Pinterest pin. So which I've already done. You just come here, then you add your project, you add your project on it, you create a folder. Okay, and this is my folder that I created. As you can see, I did the first 7 months, then 8 to 15, then 16 to 21, and 22 to 30. So I created like the first step 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for the 4 weeks, which is 30 days, which I've already done this first one. And I designed it in 3 parts because I want to be scheduling my post 3 times in a day on Pinterest. Okay, for traffic, for people to see you more, and the more consistent you are on Pinterest will push your page, and it's not even a must you have followers on Pinterest before people can buy your product. Anyone that goes to Pinterest to check for nice things to buy, if they like what they want, they just click on the link and they buy. Okay, they don't even have to follow you, they don't even have to enter your community. So that is why Pinterest is one of the most important tools you should be using in 2025. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we're going to be making use of these 10 ways you can increase small kitchen storage. Okay, I got this product on Amazon, right? So I got this product on Amazon, and for us to be able to create 10 at a row, I have this landing page I would like to introduce to us, which is kit.co. Okay, and this is my kit. This is my Amazon stuff that I already did for. This is what I use for my Amazon promotion on Pinterest. I use several ones, so this is one of them. And if you want to use it, I'll put the link in the description box. You can cite this 7 trending winter clothes for women, 10 best gifts for gadget loving guys, 10 cool gifts and gadgets for the tech obsessed. So if you want to purchase any of these products, you can check my link for it and support me. Okay, so you will come here and you will create your kitchen items. Okay, so as you can see, this is our kitchen items, and I'm going to click on it. Look at what I did. And anyone that clicks on my products, that likes this product and clicks on it, Amazon is going to pay me my commission because I embedded my links to it. But let me show you how I did it if you sign up. For example, let's go to kitchen storage, right? Kitchen storage. Let's get kitchen storage. I like or I love this kitchen storage. Okay, and we click on it. As you can see, this is a nice stuff. It's good for the home. And it makes environment neat. This is interesting. I love this. So if I come to get link, okay, instead of us using the short link in the for this video, we're going to be using the full link. So I'm going to copy. I don't want to give us an example. I'm going to copy and I come to kit.co. And if you come here, you will see that I can edit, I can add products. So I want to add products, okay? And I will paste my link here, paste, and I'll click on enter. So for us to write our description, you can use ChatGPT, right? I'll copy this and I'll come to ChatGPT. I'll ask ChatGPT generate a short write-up for a sales post on, then I paste the product name here and I click on enter. So we can always ask ChatGPT to include, okay, you already gave us hashtags. So I'm going to copy, let's see if it's not too much for the numbers, and I'm going to come in and I paste it here. I paste it here and I'll add it to the kit. So as you can see, it's been added. So when I come here, this is the pin, this is the link. If you come here, you can get a link, right? You can get your link if you come here. This is the link I'm going to be pasting on our Pinterest account. Okay, so now I will come back to our pin here. Then I would, this our pin, I will share. It's number 3. I will share the pin. I'll come here, and as you can see, you can also come directly and post a pin in Canva like this, or you create, or I come directly to my pin. We'll be using Canva directly. So I'll come to my pin and I click on this, and my board name is going to be Must Have Kitchen, right? My board name is, so I'm going to give it a title. So I'll come to Amazon and I would just highlight this, copy. Then I come back to my Canva, I paste my title, right? And I can tell ChatGPT to make this short write-up, rephrase in a short summary, okay? And I enter. As you can see, then I'm going to copy this and I'll paste it also. I'll add it to the description, okay? So if you scroll up, it's not done yet. Then it's asking us to put our website. So we come to kit.co and I'm going to copy this link, right? And I'll paste my link in the destination website. Paste. And I'll publish it now. So it's coming up. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, please kindly like this video, subscribe, and share out this video. Leave a comment down there. Thank you. So it's coming up. Let's wait a little while. So as you can see, the post has already been published. Your post was published to Mustaf Kitchen. Okay, check out your post. Can you see? And you can also schedule your post if you want. In my next video, I'm going to be lecturing us on how to bulk create so that everything you're doing is going to be done maybe under 1 hour or under 30 minutes. Okay, so stay tuned for that video, how to create a pin on Pinterest to promote your athletes marketing products. Okay, thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Leave a nice comment down there if you have any question regarding this particular topic. Also, do not hesitate to drop your comment down there or leave your question and I will be there to answer you. Take care and bye for now. Cheers.